I've just been in the car for the last hour waiting for this storm to clear, and it's cleared, it's passed over, but the wind, my God. Every other option today for fishing was completely out of the window. Very stiff offshore breeze. This might be a donut. So I've managed to find a little spot, a bit of shelter from the headland, and the conditions are looking pretty good. Hopefully spin up some salmon. Wow, what a day. You wouldn't even think it's as stormy as hell up there. I did see a few smaller salmon around, so I'm gonna chuck on a smaller jig. I might chuck on one of these fleas afterwards, but I'm just gonna give these two a run. Not the big ones I'm looking for though. Later, buddy. Whew. Yep.